Hey, today is Friday. It's the 1st of December, 2023. We had a big storm this morning, thunderstorm, and I mean the wind was whipping. It actually came in up through there. My, it came in through there and came down in through driven in just a few drops into the house. But I noticed this. It must have been like a little wind thing come through. Look at that branch up on my roof over there. And this is what really surprised me. I saw this. And I don't know where the legs are. I'll find them, I guess, laying. Oh, there's one over there on the ground. See? Can't believe it didn't knock them off of there. And it looks like my wood is still on top of my little pens that I've got my plants in. I haven't been out to the garden to look yet. I drove the tractor back up here well, actually I had uncovered it, I guess, to go out to the garden, but I took my tiller out there and tilled until almost dark. I guess when I got back up here, I forgot to put the cover back over the seat and that back over, because it's got a hole in the top of the tarp up there now. I mean, it's been there, and I've been covering my little mower. That tarp protects it mostly, but anyway, nothing, little rain ain't gonna hurt it. It drips mostly right in between the steering wheel and the seat when it comes in there. Oh, I see the back part's torn now. I guess I need to take that tarp off there, get another one on it. I just been putting it off because, well, I bought another one of them sitting over there, out there. It'll make 3 of them and it'd be longer. And I was going to put a couple new tarps on it. Well, anyway, I haven't been to the garden, like I said. December 1st, wow. I see a lot of stuff. I can't believe we didn't knock those over. Weird. Those didn't come off there. That's what makes me think it was like one little small, like a dirt devil thing come through. Well, anyway, I'm getting ready to run up to the bank and do a couple things, and then I'll be back. And I'm go out to the garden, and I might take some pictures out there. I don't know. Don't look like anything. I've got some chairs sitting over there under that tree. It looks all right. I haven't walked around there. Well, it feels good right now. We're supposed to get more tonight, though, and tomorrow. Oh, looks like it laid some of my roselle over. I just saw that. Now I need to pick the rest of that off of there, I guess. It takes a long time to clean those calyxes. Well, thanks for watching, if you're still with me. I'm running on about nothing, really. I meant to bring my other plants out of there last night, too. It just got dark on me. I was trying to finish getting those beds ready for my onions out there. No, anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. And like and comment if you so choose. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye for now.